Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne. If you're new, if you are a returning subscriber, a new subscriber, welcome back, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be a little different. As you can see, there's no glam. I'm in my comfy robe. I have on, you know, my head situation, my headband, just to keep my hair out my face because you're gonna mask with me. So, you know, you ever felt like your skin just needs a reset, a break, because like you've been wearing makeup and different things like that, or even if you haven't, you just feel like your skin needs that extra TLC. Use my Indian Healing Clay Mask, the Aztec Secret. Like, this is my go-to mask. I really like it. I have my apple cider vinegar here. Spoon. It does say on the instructions that you shouldn't use like a metal spoon or a metal container to mix it in. So I'm just using a porcelain bowl and my wooden spoon, and I'm just going to eyeball it to see how much apple cider vinegar I need and just mix it up until it's like a paste. You can mix this with water, but I just feel like the apple cider vinegar just really helps clean your skin. I don't know, like it really helps the mask really work. Just make sure my skin is clean so that the mask can really penetrate. So as that's, and once you mix it, it's like you can hear it reacting, so it's like a little science experiment. But I'm just using the Dermalogica Clearing Skin Wash. I like this. I go between this and the Special Cleansing Gel, but just gonna get some water, so hold on for a second. Get some water and really get in there and scrub my face. I wanted to talk about, you know, rushing and, you know, just things that have been coming to me and, you know, that I've just been in prayer about as far as timing is concerned. Really, that didn't go behind the headband. But things that have been coming up recently, and it's like, what's meant for you will not miss you. So don't rush. We can't all do things at the same time. Yes, you should set goals and you should be intentional about them. You should be actively working toward them. That's so important. You should be giving God something to work with. Meaning, like, you can be like, Lord, I want this beautiful house, I want this beautiful house, but you're not doing your part to get this beautiful house. Like, you're not taking care of the very basics of how to do that. And then I do avoid underneath my eyes. But as I was saying, like, you know, oftentimes we're like, oh, you know, why isn't this happening? Or quote unquote, people are so lucky, you know, like after all, like that can't be your reasoning. Like honestly and truly, that can't be your reasoning. Like whether or not that person had a running start, that has nothing to do with you, and you just have to focus on what you can do. Like, you know, I've always heard people say, oh, the grass is greener on the other side. And now, more recently, people are like, no, the grass is greener where you water it. And that's true. Like, you can't expect for your grass to be nice and plush, grass metaphorically, nice and plush, but you don't do anything to tend to it. You don't water it. You don't, you know, trim it. You know, you don't do anything. You just so busy, like, why is her grass or why is his grass so green? But they're over there taking care of theirs, you know, and you're watching when you can be taking care of yours too. So while my mask is setting, you know, working its magic, I just wanted to come on here, and I figured I'd come on here with you guys and chit chat. And it was just basically about the fact that we want to move forward. We want to do things and we want to do them in a rush. But I encourage you, and I'm saying this for you, but I'm saying it out loud to myself too. to, you know, just stay consistent. Work on what you can, focus on the daily things that you can, and it will happen. It will happen. Sometimes we feel like we don't see progress, it's not happening fast enough, and I think it really depends on how you personally measure your progress. That's just like, you know, you might feel like, oh, I'm not seeing a difference. I don't feel like it's working. I don't feel like anyone's watching. This is like a great example, especially because I'm on YouTube. But if he was a content creator, and if I can find his video and everything, I will, you know, link it below. But he was talking about his journey, and he was creating content and how he felt discouraged because he felt like, okay, I'm not getting the views that I want. I'm measuring my success, the success of my video, by the amount of people that are watching, by the amount of people that are engaging, and, you know, all those, you know, normal metrics, right? And he felt like, oh, like it's just not happening for me. It's not happening as fast as I want it to. Lo and behold, one of those people that was viewing his videos was Oprah Winfrey. The Oprah Winfrey. So, you know, and he had a beautiful story where it turned out like she liked the content that he was providing and offered him an opportunity. So sometimes you might feel like, oh, it's just not working out. It's not happening. But check your metrics. Check how you are measuring whether or not it's successful or not. Because sometimes what we feel is not successful might not measure up in our standards, but it might be just the place that we need to be. You know, just the place that we need to be to learn the skills, either to humble ourselves or to learn the skill set that we need for the next chapter in your life. I can feel my mask. I can feel my mask tightening up. I can feel it. Hi guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, it is tight. It is tight. It is changed in color. It's gotten a little darker. There are some spots, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off right now. It's tight. Like you can even feel like it just constricted. I feel like it's gonna pull all the stuff that needs to come out. It doesn't need to be on my face. I'm gonna pull all of that out. So I'm going to rinse this off, and it's pretty much dry to the touch. I'm just gonna use a warm towel, but I'll be back. I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. So I've just rinsed the mask off, and this is the finished product. I feel like my skin is extra glowy, and I'm gonna go in with my toner and then put on my moisturizers and serums and all that good stuff. And this is the Good Molecules discoloration correcting serum. It's my hyaluronic acid serum, and this is by Good Molecules as well. Lastly, I'm going to add in my Dermalogica, and this is their Active Moist moisturizer, and this is Power of Skin Balancing Probiotics. So this is the finished video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It does get the channel out there to more viewers, more eyeballs, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I would really like it. I would really enjoy it if you join the family. I'm always looking for new members to join the Made Me Vaughn TV family, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hit all notifications so you can be notified each and every time I have a video go live. Also, my new videos go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. but you feel like I'm not gonna remember all that, just go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!
Oh.